Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I'm Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. And the topic is no more Holocaust, no more genocide, neither in slow motion nor in fast motion. Global agenda on no more Holocaust, no more genocide. Let us join together and stand firmly on no more Holocaust, no more genocide, neither in slow motion nor in fast motion. In fast motion, Jews had faced during the Second World War in the past, and nor in the slow motion in steps like Muslims in Afghanistan, Iraq, Kashmir, India, Palestine, Rohingya, and many more places happening in Syria as well. Regardless of any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, language, nationality, etc. In the past, it was Aboriginals, native peoples, and now it is Muslim. And tomorrow, who knows who could be India, China, Russia, Europe, Brazil, Argentina, or other countries. Islam never permits to hurt or hate anyone regardless of any discrimination. No Muslim is Muslim if she hurts innocent civilians, hospitals, worshipping places, and institutions, etc., regardless of any discrimination. Islam never permits to capture others' land or wiping out others either in slow motion or in fast motion. Like forgiving is the key to start with. But it must be true forgiving, not like forgiving now, then wiping out next, and then for again forgiving and wiping out again. In this case, it will be hidden secret agenda. In current situation, independent and unbiased, true human loving United Nations forces must help to ease the tension around. Otherwise, there is no use of United Nations and it must be dissolved then. We cannot accept any more massacre, genocide, Holocaust, etc. of 99% of innocent human suffering because of one person terrorist around the globe. We condemn all kinds of individual and state terrorism. We have we have seen when people of Papua Ghana raised voices. Within few years, United Nations went there and made an independent state for them from Indonesia, Muslim country. While there are many Muslims around the world are badly suffering for several decades in which Muslims of Palestine, Kashmir, India, Rohingya, and many others are worst, and no such help to bring peace in the region. And still they don't have internationally recognized independent state. There are many other minorities around the globe who are facing humiliation, which needs immediate attention and all kinds of help through United Nations. Saving global people, regardless of any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, national, language, nationality, etc., it will sure help saving businesses as well with 100% guarantees. Let us join together to build whole new world, heavenly earth with true love and mercy for all humanity without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, language, nationality, etc. No closed door meetings and no hidden secret agenda. Repeatedly relying on same corrupt or incompetent person will not change fortune of a nation. Do not even think to reappoint those who were failed to protect corruption in the land. Thank you.